Hello and welcome to an episode of Mr. Sowers Social Distancing Physics Show. For this week's project, you will be making a pendulum. You will need a mass, some sort of heavy object. I suggest a water bottle, or maybe a hammer or something heavy. You will also need a string, rope, or a shoestring in this case, that is at least 4 feet long. You will need a carabiner or some sort of an object that will attach to your mass, and possibly some duct tape. And the most important thing you'll need today is a door. I hope your house has doors. You don't even have to have the door. You could actually just have a room that has a space that looks kind of like where a door would go. So that's what you need. Another thing you're going to need is something to measure things with. So look around your house for a ruler, maybe a tape. That would be my weapon of choice. Or if you have some seamstresses in the family, something like this. Seams person. It'd be inclusive here. But you should have some sort of a measuring device as well. You're going to want to construct your pendulum in a way that you can change the length. So I suggest having an ability to tie it off at different lengths. You'll need to attach it to the top of your door in some fashion. I'm the boss here, so I can do this. You should definitely ask your parents before you decide to screw into their molding around their doors. But if it's just some temporary thing, tape would also be effective John as well. So you could go ahead and do that. Once you get this, then you'll have a basic pendulum set up. Once you've built your pendulum, set it on its first length of 4 feet and raise it about 45 degrees. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you raise it a certain distance and let her swing. All right? That's a pendulum, baby. Woo! You'll need to get a stopwatch out so you can time this. So I suggest using the stopwatch feature on your phone to do this. All right? And that, my friends, is your project of the week.